Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Face ID not working after screen replacement. So if you have recently replaced your screen and after screen replacement you want to change your Face ID or want to access your Face ID but it is not working. So how you can fix that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and here you can simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you can turn it off again after a few seconds so that your Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. You can also restart your Wi-Fi so that your internet connection is working properly. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply check whether your iPhone is up to date or not. For this what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and after that you have to wait for some second so that you can know that your software is up to date. And if your software is up to date and still Face ID is not working after screen replacement, you have to make sure that you have replaced your screen from the official Apple store. If you do not have do that, from which means you have not replaced your screen from the official Apple store, then what you have to do, you have to make sure that it is well replaced. And after that what you have to do, you have to click on general, and here what you have to do, you have to look for Face ID here, and here you have to click on Face ID, and after that you have to click on enter passcode, and you have to reset your Face ID so that you can set a new one. If reset Face ID is also not showing or not working for you, then you can simply close this page and you can simply open Safari and search for the Apple Store, Apple Support, and you can simply put there your problem in Apple discussion so that you can find a solution for your problem on Apple Support. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.